Hello viewers, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here to show you how I'm cleaning my tools, my makeup tools, my makeup brushes. For that I'm using I'm not using this tool. Well, I'm not saying this is a bad tool. It's a very good, it's a very useful tool. Everybody is using this tool. Of course, I'm also using this tool, but here I'm going to show you a very interesting thing and a very small machine I'm going to show you. Here you go. This is a beautiful small machine. In this, you can wash your makeup brushes, beauty blender, and everything. You can wash it. It has a USB, so we have to plug it in first. Yeah, of course, I will show you how to wash your brushes. Yes, for that, you have to come to my washing area. So let's go there. Here you are. Here is my small brushes cleaning area. So here is my brushes and my small machine is here. So now I'm going to fill it till here till maximum, but make sure don't make your full machine wet. So I'm putting some soap inside, so make sure you will put some good soap inside, and you have to fix all the brushes like that one by one, and you can put it inside like that and turn on the machine, and make sure you can give them 260 seconds to wash, and then again you can rinse the machine for 3 times and refill with the water. So now you can again turn it on and then clean it. If you see some any dirt, you can little bit rub it with the rubber they are giving in with that also. So otherwise I think you no need for that. Here you go. You see my brushes are looking so nice and clean. Thanks for watching. Bye.